This is Bill North of the Florida Weekend Wars, and this weekend's adventure, we are heading to the Freedom Factory. It's the tour to destruction, and we'll see you there. See ya! Cletus always puts on a good show. We're bound to have a good time. Holy crap, look at this. It's $100 to dry camp at the Freedom Factory. If you're planning on going, try to get there early. We got there 20 minutes before the gate opened, and there was like 30 people already in front of us. The traffic was backed out almost onto State Road 64. Tour of destruction.
Gates haven't opened yet.
What's really cool about it is how close you get to be at the front gate. There's our RV right there. And here's the front gate. The tour of destruction is a great show, so we'll see you in there. See ya. You don't need an RV to camp at the Freedom Factory, and when you get inside, you can get one of these really cool little coolers that they give you for 20 bucks, and it comes with ice and 4 tall boy beers in it. Make sure you get there early so you get a good seat. Both before and after the show, you can get a ride on this contraption. It's not very expensive, and the rest of this video is going to be clips of the show.
And we're going to see if we can't roast a few marshmallows in the form of that car. This jet car is going to fire up, crank that engine, and going to literally try to incinerate that car and leave it to, I mean, I've seen it before. I saw one time with a minivan where it literally just was turned bright orange and was just glowing in the night. So we'll see what the power of this jet car can do here tonight. Is firing up. And you see they purposely put that hood up on the front and just watch what it'll do. burn. Unbelievable. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to do it for us here. Here he comes out of turn number 4. Chris Morena heading towards the ramp, and up the jump he goes! Through the fireballs and into the stack of cars. Safety team quickly there to check on Chris. Here he comes out here, turn 3 and 4, all the way up against the wall, getting as much speed as he did. Here comes Chris Morena. He goes! And he lands on the second or third car, nose down. Keep an eye on the wheels, spread it out. We'll see how brave they get. We'll use a little bit of patience and awareness early on, but as the race goes on, we can set in. And anything that's the 66 behind the 18 to pull away. You see the onboard shot there, and all the way up on the buses. We saw that bus last night. Had some black smoke that it was dropping out. Oh my God! What a life. From racing at Daytona to winning in an Altima, and now winning in a school bus. Let's send it out trackside to Keith. He's with Cletus. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. You gotta be careful if you get a little sideways coming off the turn number 4. He's on that truck trailer somehow, able to hang on. But look at the mess that he worked on. Parts and pieces of this trailer everywhere. Oh my goodness, just plowed right through it. Oh, there's the tire! It's going to be A2Z.
We are sure glad that we are camping here at the show without having to deal with this crowd. It'd probably take an hour and a half for all these cars to clear out of there. We hope you like this video. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you on our next adventure. See ya!